Before we get into today's video, I want to apologize because if you watched last week's video, I mentioned in the outro that our big camera mic port went out on us, and it was only picking up one channel and it was giving that little crackly nonsense. So if you hear any cracklies in the audio throughout this video, unfortunately we didn't catch it in time before we filmed it, but just know that was the sound of our camera dying, and it is getting fixed. So thank you, and again, I apologize.
Welcome back, folks. Where are we? Undisclosed location?
Secret spot.
Super secret spot where everybody probably knows about, but we are fishing, and it is cold, and it is windy, and it is snowing. You guys laughing in there at me?
Yep.
Figures. So doing a little Laker fishing, little rainbows. So got the girls set up in the shack. We're freezing out here. We just pulled in God, we didn't get to measure him.
No.
It's probably 31. 30, you think 31?
Yeah.
31-inch Laker. So just got that one. You'll get to see the video on that one. We'll put that in here in a sec. That's about all I got. Got an eagle flying around here. Hopefully it's good luck getting some more big ones. We just kind of got set up. It's hard when you got 3 women to try to get set up, and they don't like touching fish or putting their minnows on. So.
Big camera.
What's that?
We need to shoot an intro with the big camera.
Yeah, I know. That eagle's just chilling. Where'd he go? Hey, where'd the eagle go?
I knew it as soon as I saw the mark, dude. We hooked up, dog.
Yeah!
This is the first fish I caught.
We haven't even done an intro.
No. I saw the mark come up, just one big purple line. I'm like, oh boy.
Wham.
Yep. Sat there and stared at it for a little bit.
Got the GoPro on it all?
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
I think that's going to be a good one. Please tell me he's still on.
Yep.
Swimming back to you?
Yep. Good Lord. And then he saw the hole. I haven't seen him yet.
Got a big one on. Or just look out the window. That'll do. Bring it over here real quick.
Dude.
That'll work.
You want to switch that to camera mode real quick? You know what it is?
P?
No, it's a auto.
Yeah, that's what I was on.
Alright.
Alright, let's get back in the water.
One last look. What day was that?
2 days ago,
that
Wednesday.
So I was out here 2 days ago by myself, kind of scouting for today. and I caught a Laker about that size, just a little skinnier, and then I caught one that was probably 35 plus inches. I'm gonna roll the clip. I had to take it with my cell phone because I didn't bring any camera gear. So
Cell phone's a little blurry, but
fair warning, it did not focus, and it's sitting on the Vexilar, so you're gonna hear it buzzing the entire time, but it's a pretty sweet video, so we'll roll that right now. Come on up. Come on, please. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Let's go. I hope you guys can see that, because I'm going to unhook him. I'm going to get him back. That was awesome. Hooked right. Look at that. Jig just fell out. All right. One more look. Stop. I'm trying to get you back in the water. One more look. We're going to get him back. Ow. Rainbow. Oh, he came off. Came off at the hole.
yep, that's what I deal with, folks. Guy doesn't know how to catch a goddamn fish. I haven't even been able to fish yet. So we'll see what happens.
Not a bad first fish to start. The old Laker. See if we can't catch another one.
I don't know what you're doing. You're just standing over there. I'm trying to warm my hands up and figure out if I want to use a minnow head or some waxies on this buckshot.
A buckshot? Oh, you're getting crazy.
Might do a minnow on a buckshot, a minnow head on a buckshot. What? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Did you watch him bite?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a little brookie. Brook. Oh, come here. Come here. See the different colors? Nope. Do I? Oh, yeah, yeah. Could use this thing as freaking bait. He gone.
Might be another Laker. No, rainbow. Nice. Not bad. Pretty. Back home.
Got a rainbow. Gonna be nice to get into a little school of perch.
Oh, decided to sit on a bucket and quit hole hopping. Just wait for one to come through. See if we can't get another Laker. I was actually shocked we caught one today because they're kind of hard to catch in this lake. But we're fishing a little weed bed here, and then it comes out to a point right over here. So we're kind of fishing the swing where it comes back to the bank, and there's a good drop off here. We're fishing about. Right here is about 5. That jaw jacker right there is sitting at about 7, so it's a pretty steep drop. But this is where I caught them all on Wednesday, and obviously they're still here because I just caught that Laker out of this hole, And then the girls in the tent had another Laker bite, but unfortunately couldn't get a hook in it, so let's see what happens here. Also the first time out on the ice with the new Vexlar. We got the FLX 28 Ultra Pack, and I'm loving it so far. Live scope will be next year.
Ooh, he's nibbler. For about 2 seconds. Ooh, there we go. Train bow, it's a train bow. You bet. Come on, get in the leg clamps. There we go.
Ooh, hey now, hey now.
Were you recording?
Yeah. Got off at the hole. A good rainbow. Popped up out of nowhere, cruising the shore. These gloves have got to come off. I can't do it.
Gloves suck.
No, they're nice, but they're so thick I can't feel what I'm doing with my fingers.
Caught that little black bass.
I've never caught one of those out of here.
Dude, he engulfed that thing.
Stop, 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 stop.
Guarantee he doesn't bite a lure for a long time.
Another rainbow. All right, dude.
Oh, look right here.
What? Scared me.
Eagle's back, he knew.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Special teams, special plays.
Oh, I had one there. I was screwing around. Let me get back down there now.
Sorry for cussing. Dude, Sketch will never get old. I don't care. I don't care what people say about him, about all his weird stuff that came out. I will be a Sketch fan.
Kenzie, you can't just say, guys, the last time your phone went down. How about you describe what happened? Jesus.
Bring your girlfriends and wives fishing, they said.
Just bring your fish in, she'll help.
I don't even understand what happened.
It'll be fun, they said. Poor Dom. This eagle's just vibing over here, dude.
Yeah, dude, he wants some.
I don't know how well you can see him on the GoPro.
Okay, let him
Hello. We got another one. Look at him. Don't you dare come over here. He broke me off again. What is going on?
This eagle is just right here.
Don't. And the jaw jacker went off.
And the jaw jacker's going off. He knew. He knows what's going on. Yeah, that jaw jacker's got one too.
Get it. Oh. I don't want to go over there. I'm about to get killed. You might want to film this. I might get attacked by a bald eagle here today. Okay, so we got a jaw jacker going off. And an eagle is standing his ground. Not too sure what I want to do here. I'm
filming.
Oh, I'm filming too. Back up. You ever been this close to a bald eagle in the wild? Because I haven't.
Nope.
Can you go?
Thank you.
Think he's hungry?
Don't.
Smash!
You already got yours, dude. I saw it. I'm sorry. I know you're America's bird and all, but you can't be eating all the trout. What's up, dude?
We're out here today, folks, out in the wild. This is a rare occurrence of a great bald eagle. He's hungry. He's hungry. You put a new lens on there?
No, it's a lens cover. Touch it.
Oh, the fish is a little bit of
What are you doing?
You should give it to him on his way back down. Dominic!
Hold that worm.
Oh, I thought you were putting something on my back or something.
Why would I do that?
Why would you do that?
Good job.
There was a way bigger one that went by right before that.
Probably a lake trout. That's good. That means the lake trout are cruising. All right, there you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Here.
What? Oh.
No, everybody's got a fish.
Oh!
Hey.
See? As soon as I talk about Zins. Oh, God. That was right in the eye.
Jizz in your eye again, or what?
No, that wind. Dude, trout are strong little creatures. I love when they just show up out of nowhere and you just see a big mark. No, you just see a big mark. And you know it's about to just get western.
Yeah, and Hayes didn't even cough in your face this time.
Yeah. When she turns of age that she can remember shit, we're going to have a talk about that day. Let me see if I even have a waxy worm left. Yeah, we'll freshen up though. He's just sitting on the bottom. Check the other jackers. They're all picked clean. No, go. Dom's gonna get the jacker fish. Get it, dude. What are you waiting on? Pick it up. It's on there. It's on there. Reel. Reel.
It's not on there, dude.
Because you're sitting here taking your sweet ass time. Oh! Oh!
Laker.
I think it's a rainbow. It's a good rainbow though. If it is.
Got it.
Oh.
Just pulled through your knot. Broke you off.
Yep. Well, that one can be done for the day. Good Lord. It's a brutal day out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Huh?
I said it's a brutal day out here, ladies and gentlemen. Good old South Dakota. It's either windy or slightly less windy, but still windy.
Ooh, got him. I think that's a splake, isn't that?
Yeah, it's kind of rough. Yeah.
Oh. Woo! Sitting there for the last 3 hours without a bite. All right, folks. Back out here today in the Arctic tundra. Little update. It's freaking cold out. It's freaking windy.
I've got a big mark that keeps popping up. I'm hoping he bites here. He's back. Come on, buddy. Bite. 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 Oh, little guy. Little guy. He looked a lot bigger on the old Vex. Another rainbow. I don't know if I said it earlier, but we're only fishing in about 5 to 7 foot of water. That laker I caught earlier was in 5.5 foot. And we've got about 12 inches of ice. So they're cruising this. We're cruising this, or they're cruising this shallow bank. I think you would probably take any laker at this point.
Yeah, maybe I would. All right.
So before Wednesday, I caught 1 laker my entire life. That was about 16 inches. In the past 3 days, I've caught 3 over 30. 1 maybe pushing 40.
I don't know, that one you just had was pretty damn long.
Yeah, I just didn't want to measure them. I measured the first one I caught the other day, and he was out of the water too long, and it took me a while to get him back to swimming off. So I like to get them back. Fish that size are, what do you think, probably 20 plus years old?
Yeah.
So that one we caught earlier was probably 20 plus years old. So you want to catch them and get them back in the water as soon as possible.
That one's fun. Good one?
Yeah.
Feeling licorice?
No, feels like a rainbow.
Feels like you just need to tighten the drag.
Yeah.
Good color on it.
It's a good one.
That's a damn good one.
Whew. Probably the best rainbow of the day.
Yep.
Pretty. I love rainbows. I don't like eating them. I'm not a big fan of how they taste.
You about ready? You gonna keep going? Come on. Huh? I said, come on, connect to my truck. That'd be nice. Well, what do you guys think? You guys want to start getting ready?
Alright guys, so we just got back from our second ice fishing trip of the year with the ladies. Caught some rainbows, caught a laker. We caught a couple lakers the day before. You guys saw in that iPhone video. Kind of a crappy video, but that's all I could do. But it was a good day. It was cold and it was windy. The girls were perfect because they had the nice big heater in the shack, but unfortunately Dom and I couldn't fit in there. So we had to hole hop and sit out in it. It actually started getting close to whiteout conditions there for a little bit, so we decided to pack it up and head on back. We didn't keep any fish to clean. I'm not a big fan personally of eating trout, rainbow specifically. Lake trout I will not eat because that fish that we caught on video was probably close to 20 plus years old. They're more of just a trophy, fun fish to catch. Don't eat them. I know some people do. And it's your right if you want to keep them and eat them, but I'm personally not going to do that. And I just don't like rainbows, like I said before. But we had a blast. You might have saw it in the last outro from last week. This hoodie, it's got the PB in the front. It's got the Prairiebums up the sleeve. Is going to be available along with a bunch of other colors on the website pretty soon. We are just getting the last little bit put together. We're just getting the legal stuff figured out. But I would say we're gonna try to shoot for like a May, June launch for the website, just because we have a lot more stuff we had to do than what we realized. All the legal nonsense. It's easy to make hoodies and put them on a website, but then you got the whole legal side of things you got to take care of before you do it. So we're working on that, so stay tuned. Unfortunately, a lot of you ask about these hats that you see us wearing all the time. We're not going to have those on the website right away. We're still trying to figure out how to get those made locally, because everywhere we look, these specific hats are very hard to find, and as you can see, the colors aren't quite right yet. So we're working all that out. Hopefully by the end of the year these will be up, but we do have some more hat styles that will be on the website, so that should hold you guys over while we're working out the kinks on these. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Do all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, share it, and we will catch you on the next one.